Hi everyone, happy Feel Good Friday. Today I have for you a restorative yoga and sound healing practice. Grab your bolsters, your yoga blocks, and your yoga blanket, and let's get started. Okay, so go ahead and grab your yoga bolster. If you don't have a bolster, any nice pillow that's a firm pillow or even a couch cushion pillow would be great for this. We're going to get started with the bolster straight in the center of our mat. And we're going to start off with my favorite pose here. You're just going to take the bolster underneath your lower back and just lay down and relax. Palms are up. Everything is relaxed. And just breathe, releasing all of the stress and tension from the week and focusing in on yourself and yourself only. Close your eyes. Release any tension that's in your face, the forehead, the cheeks, the jaw, your chin. Just release. So we're back here with our restorative yoga practice, which is one of my absolute favorites because it's just a nice reset, especially to end the week. Continuing on with this pose, you might need to adjust if you need to. We're going to go into a Supta Baddha Konasana with our feet. So I'm going to lift up, set myself up, and lay back down. Nice hip opener here. Breaths here. Remembering to release any tension in the body. Two more breaths. Last breath. Inhale, fill the body up with air, fill the belly with air. Exhale, release. Take the hands to the outside of the thighs, close the legs like you're closing the pages of a book. Release the legs down. Inhale, roll up. Moving on, we're going to turn around. We're facing our bolster here. Now, what you're going to do, I'm actually going to show you, and then I'm going to go into the posture myself. We are going into a supported child's pose. So the knees can be out or big toes are touching. Your left ear, we'll start with the left ear first. Your left ear will come down to your bolster or your pillow, and the arms can just relax out to the side, okay? Let's go ahead and get started here. So make sure that bolster is right in between and lower that left ear. More breaths here. Remember to make sure you're releasing any tension, especially in the face. Just relax. One more breath here. Inhale. Exhale, make your way back up. And now we're going to go to the other side here. So your right ear is now on your pillow or your bolster. And this time our arms were out to the side. We're going to bring the arms back this time, okay? Ready? Set yourself up. Prepare, and right ear down. For just a couple more breaths. One more breath. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Bring yourself up to sitting. Okay, now we're going to just scoot the bolster out just a little bit, and we're going to go into a tabletop position. Let's do a couple of cat-cows. Inhale, drop your belly, cow pose. Exhale, round your back, cat. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat. One more time, inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat. Find a neutral spine, back to tabletop position. Tuck your toes. Just for a moment, we're going into a downward facing dog. Bringing the legs up, hips up to the sky. Paddle out your feet and legs right to left. Shake out your head no to release any stress that you've had all week. And nod your head yes to bring in good energy. And find stillness. Inhale, rise up on the balls of your feet. Exhale, lower. One more time, inhale, rise. Exhale, lower. Get your chest closer to your thighs. Inhale. Exhale, come back down to tabletop. Now pedal out the tops of your feet on your mat. So check it out. Moving on, we're going to set up for our final Savasana, which is my favorite. We've done this before. If you have blocks, grab your blocks. We're going to set up our nice little area here. So if you don't have blocks, that's okay. You can still use your pillows. Maybe you could stack them so that you're comfortable and not teeter-tottering over. If you have a bolster and blocks, go ahead and set it up with both blocks here and then place your bolster on top, okay, or your pillow on top of your blocks. Make sure everything is nice and sturdy so that you're not falling. If you have a yoga blanket or any other type of blanket, you can use one to cover up and one as a pillow, or you can just use one as a nice pillow for your neck. So I'm gonna fold this up and show you. So take your, if you're using it as a pillow, fold it up a couple times. I think this would be nice, or whatever is to your preference, okay? Scoot down, relax the neck on your yoga blanket, and your legs are going to go on top of your bolster or pillow. Okay, palms are going to be up and just melt into your mat. Just release everything here. Close your eyes. Final Savasana. With light and love, namaste. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out today's yoga practice. If you want to see more workouts or more yoga, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click any of these boxes here for more workouts. I will see you next time.
Don't take it personal.